Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Aiman bin Rosli and my matric number is B0922100079. Today we would like to present our group assignment, which is manufacturing process of screwdriver. Now I would like to introduce about the screwdriver. Firstly, the screwdriver is a tool that have two different types, which is manual and powered. This tool is used for turning the screw. A basic screwdriver contains a handle and shaft. There are two types of screwdriver, which is Phillips and flathead screwdriver.
There are many steps of manufacturing process and technology involved in making Phillips screwdriver. In the making of Phillips screwdriver, it divides to three parts, which is steel bar, Phillips screwdriver and handle. First process is wire drawing. Wire drawing is an operation in which the cross-section of solid wire to reduce and change in shape by pulling it through die. For the purpose of wire drawing is to draw wire into the required diameter. In drawing, wire is fed through a die with reducing aperture until it assumes the proper size. As you can see, the wire pull into the first die and then it move into the second die until the wire move into the last die. You can see the wire is the wire diameter and the thickness will be increased. After the wire is drawn, the next process is annealing. Annealing is a heat treatment process that changes the physical and sometimes also the chemical properties of material to increase ductility to make it workable. The process involves baking the wire at temperature about 732 degrees Celsius for 12 hours.
Cold forming is a high-speed process that allows manufacturers to produce large amounts of metal-based product in fast, consistent, and cost-effective manner. When compared to high-heat formation method, cold-formed products are harder, produce greater yield, feature higher tensile strength, and have a superior surface finish. Next, the wire is straightened by a string forge and then transferred to a cold forming press, which cut the wire to appropriate length and form the tip of the screwdriver and the wings that will fit into the handle. Cold forming press cuts the wire. The screwdriver is sent to a switch and grind operation, where dies form blades for a tip from the heated wire. The tool is then ground and the wings are formed. If a professional model is being produced, the bar goes to a tipping operation, which is an automating tipping machine that creates the bullet point, and then the profilator machine. This later machine cuts the 4 grooves or slots on the side above the point. The wire is then winged and heat treated in the same way as the flat tip screwdriver bar. Consumer model Phillips screwdriver are nickel plated, while the professional model is polished and nickel chrome plated. In conclusion, screwdriver seems like a basic and simple tool, but it very reliable and functional tool. It can be observed by the percentage of household nowadays mostly have this tool. It can be used in many different parts and places, such as assemble the furniture, some of the engine part, and any other else. This tool looks simple, but it takes a few processes and steps to produce this screwdriver. Some of it is wire drawing, cold form, and many more. It's an invention that would help us in our daily life. As we can see from the procedure, we were introduced to manufacturing engineering and the correct techniques for creating certain products, each of which required a particular way of production. Therefore, we may infer that one of the most crucial variables to consider is picking the suitable method.